John's Go Crypto Investing, where the bell notification, the like, subscribe button, and the share and comment down below to push us through the YouTube algorithm so that way we can educate and most importantly inform the retail trader and as many people as possible as we've entered this inflationary depression. And old Vincenzo's told you, if you simply go over to here, go to my YouTube page, click this button right here, click my content, right, and playlist 2021 archives. We've covered this extensively on what's actually happening. I just wanted to make sure that was clear. What's actually happening, as I was the industry first to expose the Celsiuses and the Three Arrows Capitals of the world, and the Luna. Once Luna blew off and went belly up and went insolvent, I told you it was going to spread like a plague. It was going to spread like a cancer, and it was going to infiltrate and infest and infect the rest of the crypto sphere. And that was the shock of the world. And it was going to change the realm of the crypto sphere. You can see immediately after that happened with Luna, in the middle of that, we had the bottom drop out, and now we're having the bottom drop out again in another dire red candle here, as you can see in XRP. And across the rest of the crypto sphere, as you can see what we're looking at in our brief technical analysis before we get into today's breaking news. And I tried to warn as many people as I could that that wasn't an isolated incident. It was like the 2008 financial collapse. The subprime was not contained. The subprime spread into the housing market and then into the equity markets, and it essentially brought Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac to their knees, and they became insolvent. The two biggest lendings, commercial lending and real estate lending and bank in the world, went belly up, the same as the crypto sphere is doing now. No market, no company, no industry is too big to go bankrupt, and Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac seen that firsthand, and now it's happening in the crypto sphere with the crypto lending platforms and the crypto exchanges, and it's becoming a huge problem, and it has shocked the crypto sphere, and it's going to only get worse, as Vincenzo dubbed this 2022, the year crypto nearly died, and it is nearly dying right now. It's on life support with all this bad stuff going on, and you can see here now the government's going to thrust itself into there with regulation and regulatory things that are only going to be more bearish. We broke to 37 cents. We've been rejected multiple times by the hook nose Jew bearish reversal pattern, and then we have that dinosaur pattern where you can see it starts at the hook nose and then it comes down, and then if you drew that out, it looks like a dinosaur there, and we drew this support line there that we talked about earlier, the 37 cents. It's now broke that. 32 cents is your next major upper resistance or lower support, and if you break that, you're coming all the way down to this 29-cent level, and that's the bottommost end of our critical volume indicator support area. And if you flush through this, if you flush through that and you come on the bottom side, you're going to immediately hit this under the 2022 year target between 18 and 22 cents and be firmly within this last line of defense, right in the middle part of it, aka get my shit together to the shit house. And that would be a big problem, as you could be looking at sub 20 and sub 10 cent XRP, and we could even go sub 5 cents as this bear market continues into pain. And lots of pain still has to happen, and that's what we're currently looking at in the XRP. And as we go over here to BlockFi, 4 minutes ago, cryptocurrency lender BlockFi Inc. first reported last week by Vincenzo's Go Crypto Investing a potential bankruptcy filing after halting withdrawals of customers' deposits and acknowledging it has significant exposure to bankrupt exchange FTX industry first, reported by Vincenzo's Go Crypto Investing YouTube partner. Familiar with this matter, BlockFi paused withdrawals and limited activity on its platforms last week. Number one key indicator by Vincenzo's Go. Fucking scumbags like to talk business on lunchtime. Don't you fucker. God damn it, Vincenzo! You're on fucking lunch! You know, I know I'm on fucking lunch, and they love to call during lunch. Just fucking call me at 12:31, you cunt cocksuckers. But as I digress, we move back into the Ethereum price while you're all here, not about my nonsense at work, as the snow has all but melted besides some tree branches and whatnot. We have the $1,288.57, major upper resistance in this blue trading zone below. This one's below the major VP volume indicator. And look at this, just to look at, as we called the pump down here, got rejected initially by the underneath bottom part of the major volume indicator. And as you know, when you're coming from below, it acts as bearishness and rejection. Rejection one, Then we pump to the top part just to get the excitement up, because the computer algorithms and the technical traders see this, they get bullish. But old Vincenzo called the top there, and then we dump back down to the underneath support, pump back up in a sideways and a less ferocious pump with a more of a sideways and up. Came right into that fib circle, overhead resistance, and the bottom part of the red resistance zone, and resisted by the volume indicator, resisted by the volume indicator, resisted by the volume indicator, resisted by the volume indicator. See how that works? So now we're below it, and then when we call this pump after this long consolidation where it just traded through the fib circle right on top of the 1288, we called this pump. Go watch some videos. I'm going to put that into my archives. We had a beautiful call on this pump right there, and it pumped right up to the 1680.99, almost, I believe, actually touched it, and then it rolled over on itself and got beautiful support, went right through the 1288.57 during this latest crypto fiasco with the liquidity, the bankruptcies, the Ponzi schemes, and the charlatans that are being exposed, and the tens of billions and hundreds of billions of dollars being lost, burnt, and torn apart forever and destroyed. And we're down at that 1,089.95. We bounced off of that, but we came back up into the return rally like that classic hook-nosed Jew bearish reversal right now. And it's just a joke. Everyone calm down. All right, I love the Jews. I make fun of the Italians and everybody else, and I am Italian, as the scumbags and charlatans call us, the wops, the guineas, the greaseballs, right? And this greaseball right here is telling you, if you break this double bottom right here, you're coming straight down here. And old Vincenzo has had a much deeper target. If we zoom out to the daily time frame, the greaseball 2023 target by the old third generation Italian is $226, or $223.53 is a 2023 target. All the way down here in Ethereum, he's calling it here first. A massive capitulation of all capitulations in the Ethereum, the XRP, and the Bitcoin, as this is another 84% down. You've heard that first. Industry exclusive. 84% Ethereum crash in the next 12 months. By the end of 2023, between now and the end of 2023, almost exactly 1 year from now, there will be an 83% crash in Ethereum, and there's going to be an XRP. You're hearing this first here. You can't say these titles are clickbait, which I do sometimes to get new viewers, but from current price in XRP, old Vincenzo's predicting a 76.69% crash by the end of 2023. And in the Bitcoin price, a major catastrophic flush is coming in the Bitcoin price, unfortunately. And old Vincenzo, you're hearing this exclusively here first. Nobody else is talking about this. I don't know what that's doing. Nobody else is talking about this catastrophic flush. We were out ahead of the top last year, and we're out ahead of the 2023 market, as we have an end of the year 2023 target in Bitcoin of an 82.69% collapse, 3,365.39. That's the news. That's the coin update. That's the breaking bankruptcy news, and that is the catastrophic, unfortunate, crypto-altering price prediction for 2023 before it happens. Peace and love.